Well, the FabFitFun Advent Calendar for 2024 is finally here, and we're going to be doing a full unboxing today, and I'm just hoping that it is better than last year's Advent. Hey beautifuls! Welcome back to my channel where we do lots of unboxings over here. Right now we are unboxing all things Advent on my channel. So if you guys are looking for Advent calendars this year, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. That way you'll be notified of when I upload my next calendar. Now today's calendar is brought to you by FabFitFun. This is their 2024 Advent. So we're going to be doing a full unboxing of this beauty. So this Advent actually opens up like this, and then you get the full picture. Now this calendar, you guys, let me just tell you, it's supposed to have, wait for it, a $350 retail value on this entire calendar. And they are charging $350 to anyone that wants to buy this calendar if you are a non-member. So if you do not have a FabFitFun subscription, this will cost you $350. I'm gonna tell you right now, do not do that. I forbid you from doing that. So if you are interested in this calendar, one, definitely purchase it. If you are a member already of FabFitFun, you'll be able to get it at the sale price of $89.99. But let's just say you're not a member yet. You don't have a FabFitFun subscription. I am still gonna forbid you from buying this at $350 because the chances that this is actually worth that are very slim. Okay, being completely honest with you. So my suggestion is if you would like to purchase this Advent calendar, sign up for the fall subscription box. I have a link down below. I also have a discount code so you can save 20% off of your first box. You can get your fall subscription box and the Advent calendar for $145, or you don't get the subscription box and you buy just this for $350. Do you see now why I'm forbidding you from buying it by itself? But this is what it will look like inside, and you're actually gonna punch these doors open and then the product will be hidden behind it. So now the big question is how easy these open up or not, you guys. So now we're gonna punch through these, maybe? Oh my goodness, okay. They are like really in there, you guys. You gotta like really hit these. So they are fairly snug, and then it still is a bit difficult to get out. But this is what it will look like. First product, by the way. So they're inside of this cardboard wall, and you really are gonna have to push to get these products out. So first product that we have in here, I'm not mad at it. This is the Murad Renewing Cleansing Cream. It is a full-size product at 200 ml here. This is a creamy cleanser that will feature lactic acid and peptides inside of it. There's also antioxidants, and it will help to not only cleanse your skin, but it's also going to give you softer, smoother skin after using it. So this is a great brand. Love that it is a full-size product in here as well. I've tried many products from Murad. They have one line that's specifically made for acne, and I think it's a really great lineup. I've used all of those products before. So I'm excited for this. This is a great way to start the box off, you guys. Oh my goodness, do you know how many like paper cuts I'm gonna get from this stinking box, you guys? Like it seriously just went up my cuticle. Well, after a struggle and a fight, I was able to get door number 2 open. This is the Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brightener. It is a cream highlighting stick. It also has a built-in sharpener with this product as well. The shade that we have is Pilly, or is it Peely? I'm gonna go with Pilly. And it is a full-size product that we have here, which is great. This will have a golden shimmer tone to it. You're able then to apply this around the eye areas like a cream eyeshadow. You could also use it as just a traditional highlighter and kind of blend it out if you would like to. But the great thing about these is that they're a very soft, neutral shade. So you could just blend this on, buff it out a little bit with your finger, and then you're set for the day. So these are great if you're traveling, if you're on the road, if you're on the plane. They're super convenient to have with you. I'm noticing that this is becoming very popular right now in the makeup world, is to have cream eyeshadow sticks and to do a very easy eyeshadow look. So apparently my eyeshadow is totally out now. Like we're not doing that at all. I'm still gonna do it. But these are becoming very popular. And then at the end, you can actually pull this off and you have a built-in sharpener in here as well. So this is a great product again. I mean, Thrive is an awesome brand. Love that it's in the calendar. Ah, we have Fenty Beauty in here. That was worth the punches, you guys. So this is the Slip Shine Sheer Shiny Lipstick. Oh my gosh, that many S's in a row, you guys, and that's like a tongue twister waiting to happen. I believe this is a full-size product that we have here. We've got our shade up at the top, which is number 7. It is Goji Gang. Let's pull this out and take a look at our sheer lipstick. Here's your fun packaging. I love her packaging. It's always just cute. I like the different shapes. I don't know. I'm also just obsessed with Fenty Beauty's products to begin with. Gorgeous shade. See, I like that this is neutral enough too that it will work for everyone, but it looks like fall to me. It's got kind of that warmer, deeper tone. I feel like this is a perfect fall shade. Oh, ow. The next item that we have in here is from Ahava. This is their smoothing hand cream, which is ironic because I'm busting my hands up to get into this advent. So this is a full-size product and it features kale and turmeric inside of this to give you hydration and to soften your hands. I finally got it out, you guys. This calendar and I are just going to be fighting the entire episode. So this is from Tower 28. It is the Luminous Tinted Balm and it is called Beach Please. We have the shade Magic Hour. Now this is a cruelty-free and vegan product and it is a balmy consistency. So it will help to blend out and kind of melt into your skin of sorts. They mentioned that you can use this on your cheeks and your lips and it will give you a flush of color. So this is what it will look like here. You've got this great acrylic packaging. I love acrylic, you guys. I just think it looks so cool. I'm just an acrylic kind of person. What can I say? But I think this shade is really pretty. It is something that, again, I think will work for everyone. But doesn't it have kind of like that fall tone to it? Like, I don't know. It's just giving me, fall vibes, which what I guess I'm more shocked by is this feels like FabFitFun put a lot of thought into this calendar and really curated it with the time of year. I don't know, this is going much better than I thought it was gonna be. Right, you stupid box, we can do this, right? You drew blood even. Oh, I knew it. I knew that hurt. This calendar is no joke, you guys. Oh, I think I got it. Oh, we got it. Ooh, I think this is a candle. This is from Malin and Goats, and it is their dark rum scented candle. So 2.35 ounces. This is what it will look like. So this is your dark rum shade and candle. Single wick. Oh, it's good. It does smell like rum, so it's very dark and it's got kind of that musky note to it as well. It smells like a good unisex scent. Like my husband is gonna like this because it's not super fruity or floral at all, but I also like it because it doesn't smell like cologne and it's not super strong. So I do think it's a really good one. I do notice that it seems like maybe it melted a little bit when it was shipping to me. So this might be a problem product. If you live in a really hot area with this advent, just keep that in mind that you might want to bring it in as soon as it gets delivered. I can only imagine if you're living in like Arizona, like if you're in Tucson or something, if you order this advent, I would get it in as fast as possible. All right, you guys, I am cheating. I have given up enough with my nails and cuticles that I'm not going to fight back anymore. So with these advents up here at the top, you can actually pull the entire tray out. And that's what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to pull it out instead of fighting and punching the entire calendar. I'm just gonna have the tray of products. Oh, so much easier, just pulled it right out. So day number 7 has a product from By Rosie Jane. This is a perfume oil and it is in the scent Rosy. Now this product I have tried before. It is full size. I know it looks small, but this is just the way they make it. It's cruelty-free and vegan. This will feature a rose scent to it, and then there's also a touch of muskiness to it. So it is a really great fragrance. I don't feel like it's too strong either, but if you don't like rose scented things, you probably won't like this one because it is a stronger rose. So it is a rollerball perfume that we have here. Good amount of product. Yeah, And again, this is one that you're gonna smell that rose note right away. Like there's just no escaping it. So I don't think it's bad. It's just, if you don't like roses, this may not be your product. Next item that we have is a hair care product. This is from Alterna, and it is their Caviar Anti-Aging Volume Styling Mist. Now, this brand has a lot of products in this lineup. So they have an anti-aging lineup. This is just one of the products that they carry in it. I've tried a few products from this collection, but not this specific one. So this will give you more volume for your hair. And like I said, it is a styling mist. So it'll be a very fine spritz that you can put over your hair to help hold everything in place. It won't be as strong as like a hairspray will be, but it'll be very lightweight, and it should give you a little bit of lift and volume with your hair. I gotta tell you guys, this is going really well. Outside of me fighting with this box, this is better than last year's calendar right now. Day number 9, we did receive some jewelry in here. This is by Adina Eden. So we have in here a necklace, I believe. It is a gold necklace with a pendant on it. Very simple and lightweight. This is my favorite kind of necklace though, you guys, because you can layer this with so many other necklaces and jewelry items. So I love to just put a bunch of these on. They're a really thin, lightweight gold chain. You have a lobster claw clasp, and then there is an extender on this as well. But it's so simple and minimalist that even with something like this, where I don't have a lot of room to work with a neckline, I will go with a really simple chain. So this is perfect that you can put it on. It's just a little something to dress up for. And what I like is you can make this casual, you can make it dressy, like it works with everything. So I know there's not a whole lot going on with the pendant, but for me, this is the perfect kind of necklace to receive. The next item that we have in here is a Petty in a box. This is day number 10. We have the aloe. It's 2 aloes, you guys. I don't know why. I was expecting it to be a different word like aloe avocado or something, but it's aloe. So it's aloe, and it features olive oil and aloe vera extract inside of it. This box will have 6 different steps to give you the full pedicure experience. So the idea is to use all 6 of these products in one sitting. You wouldn't have to, but to get the most out of this, that's the way they've designed this kit. So I've tried these before. I do love them. They have lots of different fragrances and scents out there. So if you guys don't like aloe, believe me, they have other ones. But this will feature a sea salt soak to start with. Then there's a sugar scrub, which is going to break down all of your texture, calluses, dry skin, things like that, all the gross stuff. Then there will be a mud mask, followed by a callus remover gel, a massaging butter, and then a moisturizer. So the whole idea with this pedicure in a box is to break down texture, get rid of all of it, and make sure it's clean. And then you're gonna follow up by making your feet softer with that hydration. Day number 11 is Never Naughty. I don't know why that was so funny to me. I just thought it was funny. So we have a brush in here. It is a vegan mixed bristle brush. It's from the brand called Insert Name Here, or INH. This is a gentle brush. It says that it's award-winning and that it will defrizz and detangle your hair. So I'm gonna pull this out. I've not tried this brush before, you guys. This one is all made out of wood, so I kind of like that. Good handle on here. Really great baby pink color. The bristles, there's a lot of them in here. So if you notice, for starters, they've got really flexible ones. These flexible bristles remind me of the wet brush and the bristles that are on those. So they're actually gonna bend and not pull your hair. But if you notice all these little short black ones in here, they're all different lengths and heights as well. So I think this is gonna really get into your hair. I mean, like on all levels. Like if you have thick hair, it will get through all of it. And sometimes that's my issue, is that if you have thick hair, sometimes you gotta section it out to really get underneath and to get all of it. This feels like a really good brush. Now I've not used it yet, so I will check back in with you guys and let you know what I think of it. But from what I see and what I can feel, this feels great. And the last item inside of our FabFitFun advent calendar is from First Aid Beauty. This is the Ultra Repair Cream, and it's candy cane scented. Love that. So this is a full-size product, and it is a moisturizer that will give you intense hydration, but it will have a peppermint scent to it. Holy bananas, you guys. FabFitFun killed it this year. And I'm telling you, I opened up their advent last year in 2023, and I will never forget the headband, you guys. Like, it was a $90 headband, and I just sat there going, what in the world? It retails for $85. That is what this says. Look at this. $85 for a headband? So I will never forget that. And I was assuming, yeah, we're gonna have a repeat again. We're gonna get some beauty products, but this is really good. So this entire advent calendar retails for $89.99. You receive a total of 12 full-size products inside of this, which means each product needs to retail for at least $7.49 for me to make back my money. There is nothing in this calendar that I wouldn't spend $7.49 on. Like, if you look at each of these, you guys, Murad, 100%, I will pay $7.50 for this. The Fenty Beauty, yes, Thrive. A brush, I will definitely do that on. The candle, maybe it's a little overpriced at $7.50, but not by much. I'd probably say like $5. But I mean, seriously, every item in here, I would pay that. So this one is a steal, you guys. I am so excited for FabFitFun. Honestly, it's one of the best calendars I've opened up this year, and I love that it is below that $100 price point. So if you guys are looking for a 12-day advent calendar that's below $100, I recommend this calendar. So now the only question that remains is, where do we put this at on our best to worst list? I am honestly inclined to put this very high, you guys. So right now, my top 3 contenders is Cult Beauty, Harrods Advent, and the Liberty London Advent Calendar. I feel like for value and what you're receiving for products, this needs to be up there, you guys. So comment down below, let me know where you would place this at on the list from best to worst. If you would like to view that list, I have that playlist here on YouTube, and I'll post a link down below. You can click on that link and see all of the advents that I've unboxed so far and where they stand. I think this one, though, was so good today. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!